Welcome to TOS Hub Hardware Review. Samsung company announced its smartphones on 11th March 2024. In this video, we will review the Samsung Galaxy A55 hardware specifications. There are 10 main categories and over 60 subcategories for in-depth hardware specification analysis. The rank of each hardware specification will be calculated against already available smartphones in the market. Ultimately, we will know about the class of smartphones like low-end, mid-end, high-end, flagship or premium. Let's proceed to first category, about design factors and build materials. Samsung Galaxy A55 design and build material hardware rank bases on 7 parameters. It includes weight, dimensional volume, cosmetic colors, ingress protection level, front glass material, middle frame material, and back cover material. By comparing the design and build material specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 56% scale. Second category is display. Samsung Galaxy A55 display hardware rank bases on 10 parameters. It includes form factor, technology type, size, resolution, refresh rate, peak brightness, screen-to-body ratio, number of colors, pixel density and other display features. By comparing the display specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 50% scale. Proceeding to third category, which is about camera. Samsung Galaxy A55 camera's hardware rank bases on 5 parameters. It includes wide camera, telephoto camera, ultra-wide camera, macro or depth camera, and front camera. By comparing the camera specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 45% scale. Fourth category is about chipset. Samsung Galaxy A55 chipset hardware rank bases on 5 parameters. It includes CPU high, mid, and low clocks, CPU performance cores and efficiency cores, CPU ARM architectures, and GPU clock. By comparing the chipset specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 27% scale. Next is fifth category, about RAM and storage memories. Samsung Galaxy A55 RAM and storage hardware rank bases on 2 parameters. It includes processing memory capacity, processing memory generation, storage memory capacity and storage memory generation. By comparing the RAM and storage specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 23% scale. Proceeding to sixth category, which is about connectivity. Samsung Galaxy A55 connectivity hardware rank bases on 10 parameters. It includes cellular network, satellite system, navigation system, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, infrared, NFC and USB port. By comparing the connectivity specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 42% scale. Seventh category is about sensors. Samsung Galaxy A55 sensors hardware rank bases on multiple sensors. It includes an accelerometer, ALS, compass, optical fingerprint sensor, gyroscope, Hall effect sensor and proximity sensor. By comparing the sensor specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 70% scale. Now we are moving to 8th category, about battery and charging. Samsung Galaxy A55 battery and charging hardware rank bases on 6 parameters. It includes battery type, battery capacity, wired charging power, wireless charging power, reverse charging power and charging adapter. By comparing the battery and charging specifications with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 25% scale. Ninth category is about multimedia. Samsung Galaxy A55 multimedia hardware rank bases on 6 parameters. It includes photo, video, music, gaming, and other multimedia features. By comparing the multimedia specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 27% scale. Let's proceed to 10th category, about operating system and user interface. Samsung Galaxy A55 OS and UI rank bases on 6 parameters. It includes the operating system, OS UI version, mobile service framework, future major updates and security updates. By comparing the OS UI specification with available smartphones, the score rank stands at 77% scale. Limitation. Some features are not available in the Samsung Galaxy A55, include as no telephoto camera, no superfast clock chipset, no eSIM, no satellite SOS service, no infrared sensor, no 3.5mm audio jack, no barometer, no superfast charging, no wireless charging, no charging adapter in the box, no 8K video recording, no optical zoom. All categories average rank. By combining all categories, the average score is 44%, which means the Samsung Galaxy A55 hardware specification value stands at level 44 out of 100. Final conclusion. According to the smartphone class table, the Samsung Galaxy A55 is a high-end, entry-level smartphone device. Hardware rank comparisons. Let's do a quick comparison of Samsung Galaxy A55 hardware rank with other devices from Samsung brands. As Samsung device's highest hardware rank score is 75 and its lowest score is 37, so this device's 44 score is towards the lower side among Samsung smartphones. On the other hand, if we compare the Samsung Galaxy A55 device hardware rank score with other brands' devices, the graph shows that the Samsung Galaxy A55 rank is on the lower side among other brands' devices. In the past few months, as we have analyzed multiple devices' hardware, the score ranks from 37 to 78. If you want to watch videos of other devices' hardware analysis, check the link in the description section. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do support us by liking, subscribing, and sharing this video. Your feedback is important to us. About this video, share your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video. Take care.